Welcome children. Today we are going to learn about agar shapes. Tripusagar, 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 tripusagar. Tripusagar means triangle. Tripusagar means triangle. Tripusagar means triangle. Next, Vargagar, 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 Vargagar. Vargagar means square. Vargagar means square. Vargagar means square. Vargagar means square. Next, Ayadagar, 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 Ayadagar. Ayadagar means rectangle. Ayadagar means rectangle. Ayadagar means rectangle. Ayadagar means rectangle. Next, pyramid, 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 pyramid. Pyramid means pyramid. Pyramid means pyramid. Pyramid means pyramid. Pyramid means pyramid. Next, Kanagar, 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 Kanagar. Kanagar means cube. Kanagar means cube. Kanagar means cube. Kanagar means cube. Next, Kolahar, 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 Kolahar. Kolahar means sphere. Kolahar means sphere. Kolahar means sphere. Kolahar means sphere. Now recall the shapes. Tripusagar, Vargagar, Ayadagar, pyramid, Kanagar, Kolahar. Children, I hope you are all understand this topic. Thank you, children.